Okay, so this is the part 2 of the homework assignment for week 11, Wednesday, semester 2, quarter 4. Let's go over the answer. First one is going to be 45. We did that. 61. So as I'm doing this, I want you to cross out the answers as well. 33, 108, 98, 50, or excuse me, 42. I don't see 42, so that makes me, or no, that's 82, just kidding. I don't see 82 either. Oh, no, I do see 82, just, okay. 52, 142, 46, which I don't see 46. That's because it's not 46. So this one I made a mistake. It's not 46. It should be 36. Yes, 36. 36. And then 54, which I don't have 54 here either. Shoot. Okay, let's see. Let's see. For question number 14, 180 minus 46 minus 80. It should be 54. Do you see 54 as an answer there? I don't see it there. So UOV. So UOV is this angle right here. We got 46 for that one. So 180 minus 80 minus 46. That's 144 minus 80. Oh, you know what? It's not drawn to scale. So for number 14, Grayson, you have to be careful with this one. Do you see this angle right here is 144? This vertical angle right here is also 144. Do you see how there are vertical angles? If this entire angle is 144 and this little angle right here is 80, that's gonna be 144 minus 80, which is gonna be 64. So this angle is 64. 64 degrees. So that's 64 degrees. We're gonna go ahead and cross this one out. Okay. 64. So 64. Okay, 64 is number 14. Number 15 is going to be, use as you find the measurement of the angle labeled X, that's 60. So we're going to go ahead and cross out 60 right here. Did I just erase 61? What the hell did I just do? Oh, there we go. Okay. 60, and then X is 53. And then 17 is 50. So then 18, X is 57. So then what do we have left? So once we cross it out, it says, when you finish, write the remaining letters in space on the bottom of the page. So let's go ahead and write this out. So P-I-E-R, P-R-E-S, S-U-R-E. So peer pressure. Does that make sense? Peer pressure. Like peer as in like Pier 39, like you're stepping on a pier, but it's pressure. Okay, so you're gonna do that. All right, I want to go over this one, and I just want to be done with it. All right. It looks like you finished some of them. So let's start off with number 1. Now, whenever you see a triangle is always 180 degrees, right? Yes? So if you have 2 of the angles right here, do you see how you have the 2 of the angles right there? You just take 180 minus 65 minus 57. So when you do that, you get 58 degrees. Number 2, 180. What are the two numbers in the subtract? What are the two numbers given to you? 40 is one. What's the other one? It's number 2. What's the other one they're giving to you? You have a right angle. What's the measurement of a right angle? Not 90 minus 40. It's 180. A triangle is 180. You take 180 and you subtract the other two. Okay, number 3. What are the two numbers in the subtract? Look at question number 3. What are the two angles that you have? What are the two angles? What are the two angles given to you for number 3? Can you just take a look at number 3? They give you two angles. What are the two angles given to you? 20 and what's the other one? Yeah, you take 180 and you subtract those two angles, which will then give you the third angle, which is the question mark. Do you see that? Because those three angles added together equals 180. They give you two angles, you subtract the two angles from 180. Number 4, what are the two angles they give you? Look. Good. Subtract 85, subtract 50. Which is going to give you about 45 degrees. So you're going to practice that with that tomorrow. Number 5. I can't even, what are we trying to find here? Is this the question mark right here? Or what are we trying to find? So what does it give you?
It gives me 102 degrees, 137 degrees.
Is the 130, I can't read this. Like, let me see your original paper. You drew so much on it, I can't see it. Next time I was going to take a picture of it so that way I have it and send it to me. Yeah, that's great. I don't even understand what this is. And the way that she taught it, I don't even understand why she taught it this way. It doesn't make any sense. Okay. You see how this angle right here is a 137? Do you see that? This right here? Okay. If this degree right here is 137, do you see how this little angle right here, the two of them create a straight angle, right? So to find the small little angle right there, you just take 180 minus 137, which then gives you 43 degrees. Yeah? Okay. Now I want you to focus on the small triangle right here. Do you see the small triangle?
Yeah.
Okay. If I could figure out what this angle is right here, then I can use that angle because it also creates a straight line with this angle where the question mark is, right? To find this angle right here, it's 180 because of the orange triangle. What are the two numbers that's given to you?
102 and 137.
Good. 130. No, 137 is not in that small yellow triangle. 102 is, what's the other angle? This angle here is in the triangle. What's the second angle in the triangle? That's given. This angle right there, which we just found, which is what? What is that angle? 43. I think you're right. I think she doesn't know what she's doing. Which then gives you this angle. This angle is 35 degrees. Do you see that? If this angle is 35 degrees, these two angles create a straight line. Do you see that? How would you find this angle right here? You take 180 because of the straight line minus what? What's the other angle that creates a straight line with this angle? This angle is part of that straight line. Right here, what does that say? 35. Sorry if you can't see. That would be really difficult for you to write down the answer if you don't understand what it is that we're doing. This angle is 145.
I see there.
You must be doing it.
I don't know. I don't know. The fact that she goes, oh, just do 20 minutes of this. I'm like, well, he can also sit there for 20 minutes and do nothing. Does that count? All right, number 6. Where's the question mark? Describe the question mark for me.
Question mark is above or is below the level.
To find the question mark, what do you see? Remember, supplementary, complementary, vertical angles. Which one will you have to use? Yep, supplementary. This angle right here, right? Which would be great if I can find out what this angle is, because that will help me, right? I also have 100. Do you see how this one gives you a triangle right here? It would be great if I couldn't find out the other 2 angles of the triangle, because then I can find out that angle right there. One thing gives me is this 35. So what kind of angles are those in red?
Jason,
Nope.
vertical.
Vertical. Jason angles never help us with anything. Do you remember how many I said that? The only 3 that helps us, 1 is vertical angles. They're equal. 2, complementary. What's the third one? No, supplementary. Those are the 3, right? So this is 35. What is this angle going to be right here? What is this angle right here? This angle here is 35. What's this angle right there? Oh my fucking God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Your 100 is right here, Grayson. What? I'm asking about this one right here. They're vertical angles, which means they're equal. So this angle is 35. What is this angle right here? Yeah. Can you please pay attention? Seriously, freaking pay attention. This angle is 100. Look at the blue triangle. The whole thing of the 3 angles in the blue triangle is 180. So if I want to find out this one right there, I take 180. What are the 2 angles I'm going to subtract to get that? What are the 2 angles that's given to me in the blue triangle? Subtract it, and then you're going to get 85 minus 35, or 80 minus 35, which gives me 45 degrees for this angle right here. Do you see that? Can you read 45? Now, straight line. To get this angle right here, it's going to be 180 minus 45, which is going to be 125 degrees. That's your answer. Okay, number 7. Let's take a look at this one right here. You're trying to figure out this angle right there, right? Which one to use? Complementary, supplementary, or vertical angles? Nope, not quite. Nope, don't see a 90-degree angles. What's your last choice? Do you see the vertical angle, the X right here? If I can figure out what this angle is right here, I know this angle will be opposite of that, right? How can I find that angle? Do you see this triangle right here? Do I have at least 2 of the angles in this triangle? So 180, this angle right here, minus what are the 2? So what does that give me? What's 180 minus 50? This angle is 130. This angle is vertical. So what is this angle right here? There you go. Getting better. All right, number 8. Okay, your question marker is right here. What are you going to use? Vertical, supplementary, or complementary? Supplementary is a straight line. Do you see the straight line right here? Yes, we do. It would be great if I could figure out what this angle is, right? Because then for me to figure out what this angle is, I just simply take 180 minus that angle. Okay, so next, I need to go ahead and figure out, here's my triangle. You see the green triangle? Do I have 2 of the angles in the green triangle to get this angle right there? I have 1. What's the 1? Do I have this angle right here? No. but it gives me 155. So for me to find this angle, couldn't I just do 180 minus 155? Okay, which is gonna give me what? 25 degrees, okay? So now that I have that this one is 25 degrees, I could do 180 minus 60 minus 25, which is 95 degrees. So this angle right here is, this one here is 95 degrees. So this angle right here, the question mark, 180 minus a 95 is gonna give me 85 degrees, okay? This is not easy. It's a lot of steps, and I'm sorry you have to go through this by yourself. So we're just gonna have to do the best we can, okay? All right, oh my God, this is freaking giving me a headache. Does she expect you to finish this by tomorrow? I think this is enough. We're gonna stop right here, okay? We'll do this. Actually, you know what? What I'm gonna do? Yeah, we're gonna do this some other day. This is too much for you.